Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Architecture Attack. In this video I am going to explain you about English bond with the help of these mini bricks. I'll be practically making and showing you English bond with the help of these mini bricks. So let's start. So guys, before moving further, let me explain you some brick terminologies. So after knowing this, you'll be understanding the topics better or the brick bonds better. So let me just explain you this. All of you know that this is a brick. This face of brick is called stretcher or stretcher face. This and this face and this face and this face, these are called header face. And the above face which have a logo or some mark inside, this is called frog. And the face which is plain and which is down the brick, this is called bed. So once again I'll tell you, this is header face, this is stretcher face, this is frog, and this is bed, and these edges are called arrays. So let's start. English bond. In English bond, what we see is this is stretcher and this is header. So in English bond, what we see, one layer of header in elevation and one layer of stretcher face in elevation. So let's start. I'll make you and show what is English bond, and we need a queen closer to make a English bond. What is queen closer? Let me explain you. When we divide this brick vertically in two equal parts like this, then it's called a queen closer. So as I said you, in English bond there is a one layer is of header and another layer is of stretcher in elevation. So let's start this way. Like this is header in elevation and this is queen closer, and all other bricks what we are placing is like header from this face. And from this side, as it's a stretcher from this side, all bricks what we are placing is like stretcher. So this is first course or odd course. You can see here it's header and stretcher. In another layer, what we are going to do is, if it's header down, up it should be stretcher, and if it's stretcher down, up it should be header. So let's place it like we have to. As we have to avoid these vertical joints, we can't place it like this. We have to place it like this. Down it's header, and upside it will come stretcher, and as it's header from this side, we have to place a queen closer like this, and all other faces will be header from this side like this. When we see it from elevation, it will be like header, and this side we need to place two more bricks. As you can see, as there is a definition of English bond, one layer will be header, one layer will be stretcher, and from this side down layer is stretcher and upside layer is stretcher. This is odd course, this is even course. I hope you got it. So this is called English bond.